Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanika Dion. All right, now today I received another Stitch Fix box. In addition, well, not in addition, but I got one last month. And I did not really enjoy anything that I got. So I did cancel the subscription because I felt like the clothes didn't fit me right or do anything for me, so I did cancel it. But then, after talking with some other people and reading some other comments and watching it on other people's channels, I decided to go ahead and do it again. And so I did just get another box with smaller sizes and clothes that are, I guess, a little more me, I'm hoping. I mean, those clothes, there were nothing wrong with any of those clothes, so I'll take that part back because they were nice clothes. I just didn't like the fit of them. That's all that was. So yeah, but so yeah, anyway, I did get another box. I just got that, and I'm going to go ahead and do it again and see if we get anything that's more to my liking this time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. So yeah, let's get started. As you know, oh, can't see that, but yeah, just in the box. Let me keep it over here. So first thing is the prepaid envelope that they send you in case you want to send something back or all of it back. So yeah, we have that. I'll keep that here. And then you get your little envelope here that is the prices of everything in case you want to keep everything. Yeah. Okay, I don't really want to look at that right now because I want to be surprised when I open it. And then the next thing is the Oh Hello, which is telling you, how you can match up the pieces that you have, different ways to wear it. And then we have the actual clothes itself wrapped up real nice like that. So, yeah. So firstly, I'm going to go ahead and grab what's on the side, which is this. And usually always this is most likely jewelry. All right, and you know what? Actually, as I do this, I'm going to go ahead and have the sheet open that tells you how much things are. But that's always good to know. Prices. All right. Now, while I'm doing that, for anyone who doesn't know, Stitch Fix is a subscription. You don't have to do it monthly, but, most people do it monthly for clothes, so, but you don't have to. But anyway, it's a subscription, subscription service where they match you up with pieces of clothing and jewelry and shoes or coat, whatever it is, whatever's in season at that time. And you pay a $20 styling fee. They send you the pieces, you try them on, and if you want to keep anything, you keep it, and then they charge you for everything that you keep. If you don't like something, you send it back in the prepaid envelope, or if you don't like anything, whatever you don't want, you send it back so that you don't get charged for it. Anything that you do keep, you do get charged that price for it on the original way that you signed up. So if it was PayPal, credit card, debit card, whatever it was, they charge your method of payment. Now, you do have 3 days to receive. Once you receive it, try it on and decide if you're going to keep it or send it back. Now, if 3 days is not enough, then you just have to hurry up and go onto the website and then request more time, like a week or two or whatever the options are there. Like me, I never do it within 3 days because, of course, we know me. When I get something, I usually always sit on it for 3 or 4 days before I even open the box, as I did with this, because I got this probably Wednesday of last week or something, and it's already here Sunday. But I was sick, last week also. So, but anyway, so it's been sitting here already for me, like I said, like 5 days. So, that's why I always go in right away, change the date, and I usually do it for like a week to a week and a half. So yeah, I said that I would have, make up my mind by next Saturday. So, that gives me plenty of time to look at everything, try it on, and get a feel to see if I do want to keep it or not. So yeah, so before I get charged. So if you don't change that date within the 3 days, then you're going to get charged for all the pieces. So, make sure you go in to that website and change the date. But anyway, okay, so here we go. First thing is, like I said, it's in the jewelry box. Oh, nice little earrings. Nice earrings. Oh, these are really cute. Oh, these are really, really cute. Really cute. And they got the long posts back here. They're long posts. Very, very cute. Let me try one on for you. I know we tried on earrings before, but you know, you might want to see what it looks like. If I can, oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, that's cute. See that? Cute. Very cute. Yeah, I like that. I like that. But I'm going to take it off. Because when I have my hair in a bun like this, y'all, I like to feel like I'm a round-the-way girl. I got to have my hoops on. You got to wear hoops, at least 2 pair. You know, LL told you, I'm a round-the-way girl. All right, so that's cute. Those earrings are really cute, though. I do like those. Now, those I really, really like. All right. And those earrings, let's see. Stella and Ruby, threaded earring, rose gold, $28. Okay, let's get to this. I'm just going to rip this open, if you can see, because I don't want to bring this whole package out. It's going to be too much on my table. So, all right, and the first thing on top is this. I can already tell I like this print. I like it a lot. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Very, very cute. I like this print. I really like it. Very spring. 2X blush color. Paper moon. Very nice. 3/4 sleeves. Yup. Yup. Cute. That's $54. $54. All right, that's 54. Next thing is, I actually like this print too. See, it comes up nice and folded. See, that's what I like, so you can see the print right away. I like this print. This is the Copio Kiera Crochet Trim Detail Top. Nice, nice, nice. That's cute. I like this print. I like this. Yeah. Very nice. This is cute. Full sleeves. Nice and spring. You can definitely wear this in the spring on a nice breezy day when it's not too hot and definitely not too cold. This is cute. I like it. That's cute. That is $44. Oh, I know what this is. I can feel it. This is a cardigan, isn't it? Pretty color, too. Pretty color. This is a Leia Jade cardigan. Light gray. Oh, yes. I knew it was a cardigan. Oh, and it got a hood. It got a hood. It has a hood. Yes. I like when they have pockets, but that's okay. Oh, it got a hood. That is so cute. Look at that. Light gray. This is cute. Nice little slits on the side. Very, very cute cardigan. Very cute. That is $58, light gray. And then the last thing is pair of jeans. Let me put this over here. Sorry. Put this over here. Last thing is a pair of jeans. These jeans are Vigos Erica Skinny Jean Indigo, $68. Nice. Wait, are these not capris, are they? I mean, I like capris, but I don't know if they are. See that detail? That's cute right there. Oh, these are cute. I can't really stand up right now because I don't have on any pants because I was going to try, I got to try on the stuff, but yeah, these are cute. I like the perfect amount of wash to them. I like it. All right, so those are the pieces in the box right now. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and try them on, and I'll be right back. So that was all the pieces. Now this time the clothes were a lot better, a whole lot better. I really do think that even with more continued work with the stylist, it could get even better, because the two shirts I definitely like, and I'm going to keep both of the shirts, and I'm going to keep the cardigan. The jeans and the earrings I'm sending back, although I like the earrings, but like I said in my first Stitch Fix, I'm not going to pay that much for any type of jewelry when I can get some jewelry for $1 at Shop Miss A, which I do have a jewelry haul coming up soon from Shop Miss A, and when that comes out, you'll be able to see that. But anyway, so yeah, again, I'm going to keep the two shirts as well as the cardigan, but the jeans and the earrings I'm sending back. The jeans are cute, they fit good, but they still don't have those, like, you know, I don't know, don't hug the body and the ass right. It just, they don't. I'm sorry, they just don't. I'm going to stick with my Fashion Nova and Forever 21 for that. And yeah, but again, the company is really good. I do like the company, and I believe I'll go ahead and probably try again next month. I'm going to keep working with them to see, you know, if anything comes up super good, where we can see if I can keep all 5 pieces at least just once. But this time I'm keeping 3 of the pieces, so that's a start. So yeah, but other than that, I really appreciate you watching today. If you have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you never miss an upload. Like my video and comment. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Oh yeah, and don't forget to go check out my Get to Know Me tag, because there is a giveaway attached to that for me hitting 200 subscribers. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. Bye.